This old garden fertilizer fills the soil with nitrogen, potassium, and minerals. Because of this, the plants grow strongly and give a rich harvest. I add 4 tablespoons of dried nettles to the pot. Nettle is rich in nitrogen, iron, and magnesium, which are essential for the rapid growth of the green part of the plant. I pour over the nettle with 1 liter of boiled water. I'll wait until it cools down. The liquid has cooled, and I add 1 spoonful of wood ash. Wood ash is rich in potassium and phosphorus, which are important for strong roots and a resilient plant. I'll cover it and let it stand for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we got a natural fertilizer made of nettles and wood ash. I will strain it. This natural fertilizer contains both calcium and a number of microelements that feed the soil. The natural fertilizer obtained in this way is diluted with water in a ratio of 1 to 10. I pour 100 milliliters of natural fertilizer into the bottle. I add 1 liter of water. Write me in the comments, from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. This natural fertilizer is excellent for watering parsley, carrots, lettuce, and all leafy plants. You water the plants once every 7 days. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, friends!